Only 15 days are left in your NEET exam and you all are making big mistake. Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel Diksha Karnataka. And if you all are preparing and if you all are about to give your NEET exam on 3rd of May and you all are concerned, anxious, overwhelmed and confused about how to revise your physics, chemistry and biology in this crucial phase of time, so this video is exactly what you need, my champion. So in this video I'll be giving you very important basic concepts, what the toppers, how the toppers revise their subjects, their topics, how to do numerical, what schedule they follow in this crucial phase of time. This is very important video. So let's begin. So the reality is, most of the students study 8 to 10 hours. My dear champion, this is not the right time to syllabus, to complete entire syllabus. This is not the right time to study anything new. Don't study anything new. Say no to new thing, say no to new topic. You cannot cover up your entire syllabus just in 15 and 20 days. You have to just revise only formulas, make mistakes sheet and try to rectify all those mistakes. So study 8 to 10 hours, don't do this. Revise randomly, without planning, don't revise anything. Please spot the point where you are facing still problem and the topic and the portion which is difficult to you, challenging to you. Please work on those particular points. So don't revise randomly. And the third is forget everything exam. Yes, my dear, if you follow this without planning, without strategy, if you're sitting just 8 to 10 hours just to show your parents and you're not doing that setting is not productive, so no result will come, my dear champion. So study 8 to 10 hours, this is very good, but the study should be very strategically, my dear champion, with planning, come on. So with planning, study with planning. Don't study just to show your brother, your sister, your father, mother. Come on, you all are mature now, because you all are looking forward to get your medical college. You have to pursue your MBBS degree now. You want to get into your medical college. You want to crack your NEET with double digit and triple digit rank. So you all are mature now. So my dear champion, study 8 to 10 hours. This is very good, but with strategy, with planning, with approach. Okay, so what toppers do? Look, my dear champion, the toppers follow this. So to top 500 plus scorers follow this. They revise strategically. Just example, for example, if you are having any problem in electrostatics, so why you are facing problem in electrostatics, please work on it. Go through all the formulas, all the topics. So, and just go and analyze, research, do the research work, what type of question, the weightage of the question that have been asked in past few years. That will give you short overview. So some research and analysis should be there. That will give you short overview what kind of question may appear this year in your NEET exam, my dear champion. So revise strategically and revise repeatedly. Yes, my dear champion. Only single time revision, that will not be fruitful for you. That will not be productive. That will not lead you single digit and double digit rank. You have to revise repeatedly and revise actively. You have revised one topic and just you are taking a good sleep. This is enough for me. Then I'll be getting good marks. Yeah, I can score top 10 rank in NEET. No, my dear. You have to revise actively. Frequently, I can say. Frequently. Your revision must be frequently. Yes, my dear champion, and keep your short formula sheet in your pocket whenever you're walking in park. Just look at the formula sheet. Keep looking to the formula sheet. That will help you out to revise your formula frequently. If you are playing cricket, if you are planning to go to play cricket just for 1 or 2 hours, so keep your formula sheet with you when you are sitting over there in ground. So just keep looking at your formula sheet. So toppers follow. The toppers, they know how to utilize each and every moment of the life, my dear champion. If you are really dedicated to get into your dream medical college and you want to crack NEET with good rank, so you have to utilize your each and every second moment of your life, my dear champion, just for your NEET. So just do this. Now, biggest mistake the student make in this phase of time is, I will revise later. No, my dear, later never comes. It never comes. Later never comes. If you're planning, if you're postponing the thing, yes, I'll be starting my revision from tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Come on, my dear. This will lead you huge loss. It will cost your rank and score in your NEET, my dear champion. Just start revision from today. Start revision from today. I will complete syllabus first, then revise by the time your syllabus will be end. How is it possible to cover up the entire syllabus and you will be starting your revision later on? You cannot, my dear. The only time here, the time that you all are in is for your revision, not to complete the syllabus, not to go through any new topic, any new book. You cannot complete syllabus. You cannot go to your syllabus. You should not do this, my dear champion. So instead of focusing on your syllabus, I think you should focus on revision. And today on, you have already forgotten 60%, of course, because the session has ended and you all are at the end of the session. You are just about to write your NEET exam. So I know it happens with majority of the students. They have already forgotten about 50 to 60% of the syllabus, and the result will be you start from zero again. This is the very bad thing, and it not suits on a dedicated student who is committed for the NEET. So my dear champion, don't do this. Don't postpone the thing, please, my dear champion. Start your revision from today with strategy, with mistake notes book, everything keep with you. Now toppers rule is what, my dear, that you should follow also. Same day revision is compulsory. If you have studied any topic, like if I talk about like you have studied just for example collision, you have studied collision. Now go and do questions based on collision same day. Don't postpone the collision that you will be revising collision next day. Come on, try to do numerical based on collision same day, my dear champion. So same day revision is very important. 10 to 15 minutes per chapter same day will give you memory locked. When you do 5 to 10 numerical on one topic, it leads you to store that formula for a long time, forever. If you do 10 numerical on the same formula based on same concept, yes, my dear, the formula will be locked in your mind. So ignoring NCERT is, big loss. Don't do this. Ignoring NCERT, you cannot compromise and negotiate with NCERT. NCERT is like Bible for NEET aspirants. Yes, my dear champion, NCERT is very powerful, so powerful for NEET aspirants, because direct question comes up from NCERT. If we talk about especially in biology, so in biology basically direct question comes up from NCERT, and the student who have dedicatedly studied NCERT each and every point, whether also in physics and chemistry, enough, he or she can score good marks in both the subjects, because NCERT is one of the good book, I can say, my dear champion. So NCERT will give you strong foundation to crack such exam like NEET and all. So my dear champion, don't negotiate, don't compromise, don't ignore NCERT, otherwise it will cost you rank and it will cost you on your score. So this one is deadly. So if you are ignoring NCERT, it might be very deadly for you all. So students make 5 notebooks but ignore NCERT lines. So you are making a lot of notes. One note, single note, kinematics, different note, dynamics, different notes, thermodynamics, different notes, fluid mechanics, different, coordination, organic, inorganic compound, different notes. So you are having 10 to 15 notes, but you are ignoring NCERT. It not suits on NEET aspirants. So NEET is what? Direct lift lines from NCERT. Direct question comes up from NCERT and result silly mistakes plus confusion, and topper follow NCERT like a Bible. They consider NCERT as Bible. Revise NCERT line by line, and especially in biology. I have already told you so many times, for biology, my dear champion, NCERT is very important. So over highlighting and decorating, my dear, this is not the right time to decorate your notes, to highlight the portion, to go through. Don't waste your time in such rubbish thing, my dear champion. Please, you have to focus on formula, numerical, PYQs, most important PYQs. So instead of doing these things, this is not the right time. The time doing these things, over highlighting, decorating your notes has passed. The days are gone. Getting my point? So you should not utilize a lot of time in this, my dear champion. Don't do this. Okay, so some students spend hours making notes look beautiful. What you will do with your notebooks? notes to make that beautiful. If you're not scoring good marks, if you're not crossing 500, 600 plus 650, 700 marks in NEET, and you're wasting your lot of time in decorating your notes, that will not be productive, my dear champion. So instead of wasting your energy in such thing, you should focus on revision and PYQ. But revision is not art. Too many highlights is equal to no focus. If you are stuck with highlighting the thing, if you have, wasting lot of, if you have been indulged in such things, highlighting, decorating your notes, that will not lead you to good result. So topper follow minimal, sharp notes, clear notes. If you have just a single look to entire page, the complete all the formula will be revised and you can remind everything quickly. So make notes in such a way that just having a one side to the page of that notebook will give you the short revision of all the notes just in a single view. So make your notes in such a way. So only important formulas, facts, quick revision is basically, of course, quick revision is friendly, my dear. Quick revision is friendly. So thank you so much for watching this video. So whatever the point I have discussed with you, follow these points here in this crucial phase of time. This is very important and this phase will decide your career path, my dear champion. All the very best.